Michael Rosen's Poetry Workshop. This one's called Down Behind the Dustbin. Sometimes it's great fun just to play around with words, play around with rhymes, and one great place to start is people's names. Yes, my name's Michael or Mike. Yes, and there's lots of things rhyme with that, things like bicycle and Mike, trike, like, things like that. And you can play with them, see what you find, or you can find names that in a book of names to help you. These poems are called Down Behind the Dustbin. Well, I don't know whether everybody still calls them dustbins anymore. I know we haven't got any dustbins left. We call them wheelie bins. So if you prefer, you could make your poem Down Behind the Wheelie Bin. All right, so I'll do the poems as I wrote them, and you can decide what you would like to do. So the very first one I wrote a long time ago when I used to work for a television program called Play School. And I wrote it, and it goes like this. Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Jim. He didn't know me, and I didn't know Dave. No, that's not right, is it? Let me see if I can get it right. Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Jim. He didn't know me, and I didn't know him. Yes, you knew that. You knew that. So that's nice to play with the expectation of the rhyme, as well as getting it dead right. So there's a little bit of fun. Down behind. So now let's see whether I can think of some other names. How about Sid? How about Sid? Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Sid. Sid. Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Sid. He could smell a bone inside, but he couldn't lift a lid. Yes, you got it. Down behind the dustbin. So, what do you mean lift the lid? Dogs don't lift dustbin lids. No, but it's silly. It's a nonsense poem. Down behind the dustbin, I met that dog called Sid. He said he didn't know me, but I'm pretty sure he didn't. No, that's not right. How does it go? Down behind the dustbin, I met that dog called Sid. He said he didn't know me, but I'm pretty sure he did. Yes. So there's the way in which you can think up rhymes. You got the name, start with the name, think of some words that rhyme with the name. You could use a rhyming dictionary. There's one online called Rhyme Zone. That's RHYMEZONE, rhymezone.com. And you put in a name like Sid, and then all the rhymes for Sid all come up. And then you can think how to make your poem. Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Sid. Lid. And that's what we call the shape of the poem, yes, or the form of the poem. So we've done Sid and we've done Jim. Let's see whether we can think of somebody else. How about Barry? Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Barry. He tried to lift the bin, but it was too heavy to carry. Yes, that's right. Hang on a minute, dogs don't carry bins. Why are you making up this stuff? Yeah, because that's the fun of it, isn't it? There we are. So we've got Sid and Jim, and we've got Barry. Anybody else? What about Mary? Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Mary. I wish I wasn't a dog, she said. I wish I was a... What are you going to put in there? What do you think? Fairy? Canary? Have you ever seen a canary? Little yellow bird? Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Mary. I wish I wasn't a dog, she said. I wish I was a canary. I like that one. The idea of wanting to be a little yellow bird. Yes. So there we are. There's another one. Let's see if we can think of anybody else. How about Louisa? Louisa. Does that rhyme with anything? Louisa. Well, where I come from in London, you can hear my voice. It comes from London. Louisa. I could make that rhyme with squeezer, meaning not a lemon squeezer, but squeeze her, which sometimes people in London say squeezer, like that, put it all together. Let's see how that comes out. Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Louisa. There was another dog there, and she was trying to squeeze her. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, trying to squeeze her. Do dogs try and squeeze each other? No, but that's the fun again. That's the nonsense, you see, so you can play with it. Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Nicola. She looked a bit like an onion, so I thought that I would What rhymes with Nicola? Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Nicola. She looked a bit like an onion, so I thought that I would pickle her. Yeah, you have pickled onions, don't you? Do you know, sometimes I've done that with boys and girls, and I've done that one, and it goes like this. This is what happened. Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Nicola. She looked a bit like an onion, so I thought that I would, and the children have said, tickle her. Do you get tickled onions? Maybe you do. You could go to the supermarket and, you can buy pickled onions in the supermarket, and there'll be these jars of pickled onions sitting there like this. I'm a pickled onion. And on the end, there's a jar of tickled onions going, stop it! Why not? Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Nicola. She looked a bit like an onion, so I thought that I would tickle her. Or pickle her. They both work, don't they? And how about this one? Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Felicity. What's going to rhyme with Felicity? Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Felicity. It's a bit dark down here, she said, because they cut off my tail. No, that's not right. Let's try again. Hang on, it's just coming. Down behind the dustbin, I met a dog called Felicity. It's a bit dark down here because they cut off my electricity. Exactly. Sometimes your electricity gets cut off and it's all dark. So there's a silly one to go with Felicity. All right, which I got wrong. So you could make up your own Down Behind the Dustbin poems. If you don't want dustbins, you could have wheelie bins, or you could have anything that works. All right, and then you meet somebody with a name, or you could meet a dog, you could meet anybody you like, and you meet a dog, and then you make it rhyme, and so you have some nice fun with that last word. It's nearly always the last word that makes people laugh a bit, because it seems so odd or strange, like the dogs carrying the bins and Felicity complaining about the electricity being cut off. You imagine a dog, I don't like it here, I'm going to cut off the electricity. So you can make up your own, and I made up lots, and they're in this book here that I've brought along. The book is called Jelly Boots, Smelly Boots, with wonderful pictures by David Tassyman, and there's lots of my Down Behind the Dustbin poems in this book here. Jelly Boots, Smelly Boots.